If you're looking to create a digital prototype or an MVP, that's minimum viable product, there's a few steps that you're going to want to have to go through. First up, you're going to have to think of the goal of your product. What is the actual problem that you're going to be solving for your users? You really have to have this very clear in your head before you proceed with anything else. And think about the way that your users are going to interact with your site. Try to map this out down to the last detail. Think about how you would use your product to solve the problem that your users are going to have. So the next step is doing up some wireframes. Think about how each screen in your app or website is going to look and function. Doesn't matter if you can't draw for this step, there's plenty of online resources that'll help you out. The idea is to be able to present something to whoever you're going to get to build the thing that'll really map out exactly how it's going to work. You might have the problem of actually not knowing a developer that's going to help you build it. There's plenty of networking events you can go to. You can check meetup.com, look around the university. If this is your first project, it's definitely better to meet somebody face to face and kind of work with them that way. That'll help you smooth over any unknowns that are going to crop up, and because it's your first project, there will be unknowns that'll crop up, as opposed to working with, say, an overseas contractor, whereby there's a lot more risk involved in that. So when you go to start testing, for example, a website, you might set up what's called a staging site. This is like a siloed off version of your product, and you'll give access to your friends and family, get them to start testing everything in it. Once everything's okay with them and you've fixed any bugs that they've found, and they probably will find bugs, you can go on to like a slightly larger release, maybe 10 to 50, get those people looking at it. This is kind of your extended friends network. Once you've kind of cleaned up any mess that they have found, then you can start thinking about giving it to the general population.